In Arizona, a back-and-forth battle we've promised to track every step of the way.
Tonight, a big development. The Arizona Supreme Court delayed enforcement of the state's near-total abortion ban as we wait for a repeal of that 1864 law to take effect. ABC 15's Ashley Holden is breaking down that decision.
A new ruling by the state Supreme Court once again pushing back the date a near-total abortion ban could potentially be enforced. The earliest now, September 26th.
It is the bridge over troubled waters, so to speak.
Currently, abortions are legal up to 15 weeks in Arizona, and Monday's decision buys months of time for providers like Dr. Deshawn Taylor. She spoke with ABC 15 hours after learning the state's high court granted a 90-day stay to allow Attorney General Kris Mayes time to possibly appeal the near-total ban to the U.S. Supreme Court. AG Mayes, in a statement calling the case wrongly decided.
I was like, oh, this is great. And then it kind of sinks in, and I'm just like, the push and pull, the back and forth, the stop and start. That is just a terrible way to operate.
This delay comes less than 2 weeks after Governor Katie Hobbs signed legislation repealing the near-total ban on abortions, but that won't take effect until 90 days after the legislative session ends, which could be well into the summer.
We've been seeing the back and forth, and quite frankly, I think I have whiplash at this point.
Chris Love with Arizona for Abortion Access speaking with us Monday as they continue to gather signatures for their potential ballot measure. If successful, voters in November would be deciding on a constitutional amendment which would allow abortions up to the point of viability.
I think that it is a prime example of why we need to take this issue back to the voters.
Critics of the ballot measure say it goes too far and believe it could create medical safety concerns.
Every human life is worth protecting. Life is a human right.
I spoke with the Alliance Defending Freedom last week as they asked the courts not to grant the requested stay.
While the legislature repealed Arizona's pro-life law, that repeal will not go into effect immediately, and that was a legislative choice. That repeal will only go into effect later this year, and there are many lives to save in the meantime.
ADF Monday releasing a statement in response saying they will continue working to protect unborn children and promote real support and health care for Arizona families. Ashley Holden, ABC 15, Arizona.
Ashley, thank you.